Alright. So it seemed to like rifle match, but I don't know if it's good enough for Hazzbro's target. But we're about to find out. Wow, that wind is cold. So this is gonna one-sider in the O. I think we're a little low, but ooh. Alright. Ooh, that was a little right too. Okay, that's it out of there. Yeah. Oh, way low all of a sudden. Okay. And there's the wind. Come on. Oh. Come on now. I don't know if that'll plug. Oh, that definitely won't, I don't think. Wow, that's way low. Eh. Ooh. Those bottom ones are what you do not want to miss. Well, the further up you miss, the better. Yeah, that wasn't too good. I wonder what it would do with center X. You know I'm going to have to try it, right? Anyway, alright. Not as good as I thought. Alright. Yeah, that goes by fast. Man, that target. We need more in Mario. Dang. We'll bring it down. Alright, folks. I'm releasing this to show that it's not always perfect. Check it out. You missed some shit on the bottom? Yeah. Check it. Same gun. It was getting dirty. Check it out. Then we missed that. Yeah, you don't want to miss shit at the bottom of this target. So that counted as 3. We missed both those. Hit Mario. That's a -1. Meaning you don't count the 5. You just -1 from your total. Hope everybody understands that. Because I don't think everybody does. You don't get the 5 points and then -1. You don't get 5 points and then you -1 from the shit you already got. And then we miss that. So that's doesn't count. So it's like -5. So like if you take 52 minus that 5, -5 and -1 on top of it, you don't get those 2 10s, that's -20. That's a -3. so on and so forth. That's how you score this. I hope everybody gets that. It's not that hard to understand. Anyway, so we got an 18. This is the one before the ace. Thought I'd share that with everybody. Check it out. That's how it went down before. This is rifle match before I went to Center X. Just wanted to share it. Not everything is, you know, whatever that saying is, sugar and sugar-coated lipstick on a pig shit. I don't know. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Everybody take care.